Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm being a little quiet because the baby is sleeping and I don't want to wake her up. As you can tell, I have new lights and I actually have a vanity mirror that I got from Amazon. It's pretty big, which is nice. It was a lot cheaper than some of the other like name brand ones that you can find online, and it was just, I had to get it. I've been wanting it for years, and I found something way cheaper, so super excited. Anyway, today I am gonna do a haul.
Hi.
I don't know if they can see you. Careful, don't.
Hi.
So today I'm gonna film a haul, and I have some things that I've purchased and some things that were sent to me, so I'm just gonna kind of incorporate them into one video. I'll let you guys know which ones I purchased and what was sent to me. So I do want to say that I'm not being sponsored for this video. I'm not getting paid for it. Some of these items were just sent to me. So yeah, let's jump in. So first I'll start with the things that I purchased myself. I went to Ulta and got a few things because it's been a really long time since I've actually purchased any makeup. I've kind of just fallen off of the makeup scene, I guess. And so I went to Ulta and I purchased some items that I've heard really good things about and I just needed some more of. So I purchased the Shiseido eyelash curler because for years I've been hearing nothing but great things about it. So I did purchase this. I didn't use it today because I just put on lashes, but I did purchase this because my eyelashes are so straight, and I haven't used an eyelash curler in years. Before I was using this one, I was using the Tarte one, but it broke really easily. So I decided to give this a try, even though it's a little spendy. I really like it. It really does curl. Then I also bought a mascara because I have not worn a mascara in forever, and mine are really old and dried out, and so I purchased my favorite one. This is They're Real by Benefit. I don't know if it's because I haven't worn mascara in a really long time or if it's because it's new that my lashes don't really curl. They used to curl really well with this without an eyelash curler. People would always ask me if my eyelashes were real when I wore this, so I don't know if the formula changed. Probably not. It's probably just because it's a brand new tube. But there's that. I also purchased Rapid Lash. This was a little pricey as well, but I really needed it because my eyelashes are so short, and it's just an eyelash serum to help your lashes grow. I've only used this a few times so far, so I'll check back in and I'll make another video one day, let you guys know how I like it. I also did take before photos, so after a while of using it, I'll take after photos and I will post it on my Instagram. Next, I got the NARS blush in Sin. I have Orgasm of this, but it's literally years old. I got it in 2011 and I finally threw it out because it was cracked and broken into pieces and it was just old. So I like this because it's more of like a berry shade, and I have a darker skin tone than most people. What am I talking about? I just have a little bit of a warmer skin tone, and I think berries look better on my skin than pinks. Next, I purchased a beauty blender. I got the black one because I used to have the pink ones and I just don't like how it looks. I feel like black just looks cleaner. But I haven't owned one of these in years, so I'm giving it a try again. I got the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and I've only had a couple of their products. I think it was an eyeliner. But this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. I'm wearing it today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I think it's beautiful, and it's like a golden tone, so it matches my skin tone a little bit more than like pinky, peachy colors do. Next, I purchased the Morphe palette. I actually got two of these. I got one for my sister for her birthday along with another gift, but I got the 9C Jewel Crew, I think. I'm not too familiar with Morphe and how they name their palettes, but this is how it looks. As you know, I love warm toned shadows. I feel like I just can't get away with using cool tones. So I got this one. There's some really pretty shades in here. I feel like most of the palettes that I purchase are warm shades and they pretty much look all the same, but I love it. So next I got this lip scrub. It's a polishing and hydrating lip scrub. I'm pretty sure it's sugar because it's kind of sweet. Yeah, it's called Sugar Lips by Tree Hut, and it's amazing. It smells minty. I think most lip scrubs do, but literally after I do my makeup, I use it and my lips look perfectly clean and they look super crisp. Love it. And it really works. I think it was only like $9 or something. It was super cheap on the drugstore side of Ulta. Next, I got this from Target. Actually, they're just press-on nails. They're by Impress, and I opened it and they all fell out, but it's just these little nails. I've never tried stick-on nails before, except for when I was a little kid and they were the cheap kind. So I'm gonna try these out. I hate getting my nails done. Next, let's jump into the products that were sent to me. Actually, okay, so this one's kind of interesting because I've collaborated with Pinky Paradise before a couple of times, and it's just contact lenses, and I've worked with them and filmed videos for them, and they sent me free contacts to promote. They had like this contest, or I don't know what you want to call it, but they had this, they sent out this email to people that they've worked with before, and basically said, post a photo or a video of your contact lenses and use these hashtags, and we'll send you a gift card for $100. No purchase necessary. So of course I jumped on that. I posted a photo on Instagram with the hashtags, and they did send me a $100 gift card. So I purchased some new goodies, and this time I didn't get any contact lenses because I feel like I have quite a few now and I didn't really want any more. So I purchased some skincare. They do have skincare on their website, and I was super excited. So it is a Korean website. I believe it's Korean. And they have a bunch of skincare on there. So I purchased a bunch of skincare, and I'm so excited to try it because some of these things they do carry in Ulta. This one is, I think it's Propolis or Propolis. I don't know how to say that. This is a light ampule by CosRX. And it's a serum, so it's just nice and glowy. It gives you a nice little glow to your skin. Next is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. And yes, this is a snail mucin. So it is the mucus of a snail. I'll show you guys how it looks just because this is so interesting. So this is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but this is how it looks. It's very mucusy, yes, because it literally is snail mucin, and I know that sounds so gross, and I don't like snails or slugs or anything slimy like that, but I decided to give this a go because it was very intriguing. I've never heard of anything like this before. This is also by CosRX, and it does leave your skin very soft. I mean, the snail mucus is meant to keep them very moisturized. So definitely a good product. Unless you're vegan, don't try it because you know it comes from a snail. This is the Good Sarah. It has it's a super ceramide mist, so it's very hydrating, great for dry skin. This is also a Korean brand, and it's just a toner. You just spray it on your face after you moisturize, and it just kind of locks in the moisture. I got this Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask. This is also by CosRX, and I've used this one time so far. I do like it. You just put it on before bed, and your skin feels great after. The next thing here, this you can find at Ulta. I've seen this plenty of times before, and I was never really quite sure what it was, but it's called the So Cool Eye Stick, and it's a panda, and it's by Tony Moly, and it looks like this. And I believe, I haven't really looked too much into this, but I'm pretty sure you just put this under your eyes, and it's good for, like, it's an under eye cream basically, and it's very cooling. And there's not really much to blend in because it's kind of tacky. I don't really know how to explain it, but it does go on nicely, and you don't really need to rub it in or anything. Next thing is another Tony Moly product that I'm super excited about because it's shaped like an egg. It's seriously so cute. This is the Tightening Cooling Pack, and again, I had no idea what this was. Every time I saw it at Ulta, it smells interesting. It definitely does have a scent. I don't know if my camera cut off, but yeah, this is the Tightening Cooling Pack by Tony Moly, and it looks like this. It feels interesting too. When you put it on, it's cooling. There's a cooling sensation, and you just kind of put it on areas that you get large pores, which for me would be right in my T-zone and maybe my chin a little bit. So I kind of just put it in those areas on my forehead also, and just kind of spread it out and rinse it off. I don't know how long you're supposed to keep it on for. Don't know. The next thing is this Tony Moly Shiny Skin Soap. It comes in like a little egg carton of 2. Super cute. There's little soaps in here that are shaped like eggs. I have not opened this one yet, but they say that they're handmade. I have opened this, and I've used it, and it just smells like soap. Not really a bad scent. They get very, I don't even know what the word is that I'm looking for. Wow. You lather it up, and it gets really like soapy, like foamy and like bubbly. I can't believe I can't even think of the word that I'm looking for. Yeah, so those are the things that I got from Pinky Paradise with my $100 gift card. I ended up only paying like $4 for all that stuff after using the gift card, so that was really cool. Next, I got some things from Hard Candy, and they did send this to me. And first, I want to say that I used to love Hard Candy. I didn't get into like all their different makeup, but I did love their lip glosses. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this plumping serum. And this is, it doesn't really, I don't think it has a shade. It's just a volumizing lip gloss. And it's in the shade 1401. It doesn't, I don't really see a shade. I don't know. Anyway, it smells good. And it feels good too. It's not sticky at all. Of course, if you get your hair in it, your hair is going to stick. But yeah. I love it. It feels so good on the lips. And as you guys know, Hard Candy is a very, very affordable brand. So that's good. Obviously, everybody likes to save a little bit of money. You can find these products in Target, I believe. I know you can get them in Walmart and some other drugstores. Yeah, so the next thing is this long wear eyeshadow primer. I already tried to open it, but I didn't succeed. So I have not tried any of these other products yet, so I'm really excited to. This is the primer here, and it's called Eyes the Limit. So I'm excited to try that because I haven't actually used an eyeshadow primer in a really long time. The next thing is this Matte-aholic Velvet Mousse Lip Color, and this is in the shade Red Velvet. It looks like this. It comes with a lip pencil and a matte lip color, so I'm really excited to try that. I love lipsticks. I love matte liquid lipsticks as well. I got this Pore Defense Primer Serum, and it's called Sheer Envy. This I tried on the back of my hand. I have yet to try it on my face, but I like it because there's no silicone in it, and it just feels more like a lotion, like a moisturizing serum or moisturizing primer, which I love so much. I love that way more than the silicone formulas. This is going to minimize the appearance of pores. It's oil-free and silicone-free, so it just feels very moisturizing, and I don't really like oily or silicone things on my face. Lastly, they sent me this eyeshadow palette, which is really cute. There are 15 shades in this palette, so I'm excited to try this. It comes with 2 little brushes as well. This palette is called Look Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's the Dipped in Gold palette. So let's try this pink. Ooh, that's pretty pigmented actually, if you can see that on my finger. Of course we'd want to use, yeah, that's nice. It's not super dark, but you know, a primer will help that. So I'm excited to try this out and create some looks with that. I also got sent one last thing. This is by Graydon Plant Powered Skincare. This is the Full Moon Serum. It's loaded with vitamin C, which is going to help to even out your skin tone, and 100% natural vegetable-based preservative. A bunch of really good things. So this is going to help to combat the signs of aging, and yeah, I'm excited to try this. This is really pretty too. Like, the packaging is just super simple and beautiful. The color is really nice. I like it, and I'm super excited to try this out because I'm gonna be 27 soon, and I know that's still young. However, I am starting to get crow's feet. You guys aren't gonna be able to tell, but trust me, they're there. Last but not least, guys, this is something that was sent to me ages ago, and I actually did film a video for it, and I edited it and I posted it, but I never made it public, and I feel like it's just been so long since then that I just don't want to make it public now, because it was when I lived in San Diego and it was very different, and I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna be obvious that it was super old. It's literally from like a year ago. So as you can tell, I've been using this. It's pretty dirty. This is the Sam Marcel Luxurious Highlight Palette, and I love this so much. As you can see, it's gotten some use. It's not hitting pan yet because highlighters, I feel like, take forever to hit pan. Sorry, I just spit. They take forever to hit pan because you don't need too much. You only use it on like a few parts of your face. But this palette, I always use this top left one, Soleil. This is like a yellow shade. I'll show you guys on this side. Super pigmented, and it's very beautiful. Like, look at that. It's super pretty. I am wearing the Ofra highlighter today that I purchased from Ulta. Before that, I was using this, and sometimes I would mix it with this one here. These shades are just so beautiful. You literally just dust a little bit onto your face, and you don't even need a liquid highlighter or a cream highlighter underneath it. You just throw it on and it's super beautiful. It's actually very similar to the one that I'm wearing today, which looks wet, but it's a powder. So yeah, that was sent to me ages ago, and I feel like I need to throw it in this haul because it really is a great product. I have yet to mention it, I guess. And this is a cruelty-free and vegan palette as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still kind of working on a setup and all of that good stuff, but if you have any requests, please feel free to let me know. I'm going to be filming an updated brow tutorial soon, just how I do my brows. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Thumbs up this video and subscribe. And I'm so excited with my new mirror. I am definitely going to be filming more tutorials because this is where I have my makeup and everything's going to be set up here pretty soon. I still have to build my drawer, and then it's going to be so much easier for me to film makeup videos, which I know you guys used to really like. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.